Yeah, hi Bernard, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your Beosound laser for you. Basically, I've taken it apart. It's in very, very good, clean condition. To be honest with you, it's not worn. It's a 1980s part basically, but it's as good as new. You shouldn't get any issues with this now. I've put a brand new laser in there for you, and it's all working as you can hear. That comes with a 6-month warranty on the part and my labour to do that for you. So if there's any problems, we'll do that for you, and that's free of charge. All we ever ask for is the postage, which is obviously about £4.50, £5, and we send that back to you. So yeah, that's ready to go out as soon as we get payment for that, and I will send you all the payment details in the next 20 minutes. So I trust you're happy with that, and thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it. So stay safe and have a great day. Thank you.